Hi again, everybody. It's Jason from Rangeland RV, just north of Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and we're here at the 11th annual Forest River Open House Expo down at the Rockwood area, and looking at some really exciting new floor plans. This is a brand new floor plan by GeoPro. This is the 19BH. So GeoPro, newest product line by Rockwood, still built with that same Rockwood philosophy of aluminum cage, vacuum bonding. These have, let's walk around the front real quick here. Really great look with the new front fiberglass cap and the automotive windshield in it. So great looking trailer. These are 7 feet wide. This little trailer is actually 20 feet overall length and just over 3,000 pounds and offers a ton of features. Let's walk around here and up quick feet. Like all other Rockwoods, they use the biggest awning that they can fit on their coaches to give you the maximum outdoor living space. Backlit with LED lights. Some beautiful features like our friction hinge, so on a windy day your door won't slam in the wind. You also don't have to clasp it to fix it to the side of the trailer. And we have the Murad drop down steps. Simply, we'll just lift up and fold inside the coach, back out when you need it. Keep it really stable for kids going up and down the stairs and for everybody else as well. Come on in. So this trailer really stands out with some features. First of all, a bunk model, queen bed in the front, east-west, and again, we're 20 feet overall, even with the hitch on this coach. You'll see some new technology like this really cool power station, which features 110 plugins as well as USB charging ports. Roller shades, which are very nice. They'll block out the sun, they'll keep it nice and cool in this coach. We have full air conditioning, and what they've done, unlike every other trailer in its categories, they've actually put a full gas oven in here. So most units in this category will put a 2-burner stove, which is going to create 2 burners here and not allow for any kitchen work area, where this does. We have a 22-inch oven, which is featured in most Rockwoods. Nice big refrigerator with an ice box. Great bathroom, tub for the kids. And talk about one new feature. All Rockwoods equipped now with a product called Shower Miser. What it does is it conserves your water. This little trailer has upwards of 37 gallons of fresh water, and you're going to be able to maximize every drop of that water when you're using the shower, bathing your kids. Love for you guys to come down to Rangeland RV and check out our full line of GeoPro products, show you around. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. There'll be lots more to come. Thanks for watching and happy camping.